Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a review of the Bionic Spotlight. It is a solar powered security camera designed light that is very powerful. It has bright LED lights. It's weather resistant. There's no batteries required and no wires that's needed. It comes with the mounting screws and it's motion activated up to 25 feet. Has a remote control as well. There's 3 different modes that you could do, where mode 1 shows if it detects anything within 25 feet, it shows at the brightest. Mode 2 shows at medium light and turns off after 20 seconds, just like mode 1. And then mode 3, it stays on at low light until the solar power batteries run out of energy. And once the sunlight comes up again, it turns off and recharges. So let's have a look here. Just gonna open this up, see what the package has. So here we can see it has the screws with the plugs, and then it has the remote control with the 3 different modes, and then it has the light itself. So here you could screw it and loosen it up and then see however you want it to go. This way, and then tighten it up. So that way you can tighten it and angle it however you like. Here is the sensor receptor. Here's the on-off switch. So just to demonstrate, that's how bright it is. It's very bright. And then that's mode 1. Mode 2 is sensor as well. Then mode 3 will stay on at low light. And then 4th time you click it, it'll be off. So it's very useful, especially if you live out in the countryside like how we do. So I'm gonna be mounting this above the garage, because at nighttime that's where we have the least amount of light. And once the daylight goes down, I'll take you outside and we'll test this thing out to see how it goes. So now it's nighttime and I want to test the brightness of these solar LED lights. So I hung one up in front of the garage door, and it's on motion sensor. So let's just walk and see how bright it is. And there it is. So it's pretty bright. So very happy with that. So I definitely would recommend these lights here. If you like this video, I hope you can subscribe to our channel, click that like button, and if you have any comments or suggestions, we'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care.